Hi everyone and welcome to the Space's first online English class. It's so strange to be speaking to you like this instead of face to face on a Tuesday morning the way we usually do. But I hope you've all been well and keeping safe throughout this pandemic, and we look forward to meeting up again sometime in the Space in the near future. But in the meantime, we can keep going with our English and lots of other things by tuning in online and being involved with the online lessons. Magic E, how it changes the sound of vowels. Which letters are the vowels? Let's say the alphabet together first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So which letters are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Listen to the vowels in the words. Car. If we add E to the end of car, it becomes care. Pop. If we add E, it becomes pop. Tub. If we add E, it becomes tube. Pin. If we add E, becomes pine. Pet. Add E, becomes peat. So, by adding E to the end of the word with a vowel, it gives the vowel a long sound. So for example, the A in car becomes A in care. The O in pop becomes O in pope. The A in tub becomes U in tube. The I in pin becomes I in pine. The E in pet becomes E in peat. Let's try a few more. Cap. If we add E, what would cap become? Cape. Let's read the words in the cloud. Hug, kit, rod, cut, fat. If we add E onto the end of these words, what would they make? Huge, kite, road, cute, fate. You can see how the E on the end changes the sound of the vowel in the middle. Okay, for the next part you're going to need your jotter and your pencil. I'm going to read out some of the words you've just learned. I want you to listen very carefully and see if you can spell those words. Write them down in your jotter. Number 1, tub. Number 2, pine. Number 3, care. Number 4, tube. Number 5, pop. Number 6, car. Number 7, pope. Number 8, pin. Number 9, pet. And number 10, Pete. So number 1, check to see if you got them correct. Tub, T-U-B. Number 2, pine, P-I-N-E. Number 3, care, C-A-R-E. Number 4, tube, T-U-B-E. Number 5, pop, P-O-P. Number 6, car, C-A-R. Number 7, pope, P-O-P-E. Number 8, pin, P-I-N. Number 9, pet, P-E-T. And number 10, Pete, P-E-T-E. And you'll notice that on number 10 we have a capital letter because it's someone's name. We remember that we always use a capital letter for the name of a person, a place, a day of the week, a month of the year, or at the beginning of a sentence. Okay, so now to check and see how much you've learned from today's lesson, you have 2 worksheets to do in your jotter. The first one is words containing the short vowel, so a, e, I, o, or sound. And the second one are words containing the long vowel, a, e, I, o, or u. So we know from today's lesson that each of those words will end with E. I'd like you to try those in your jotter. Okay, so once you have your work done in your jotters, you can use your tablet to take a photograph of your work and you can send it to me at my email address, julie@spaceglasgow.org.uk, and then I'll be able to see how you do with it.